Itina wa Kutambuka Nthi ya Uungelesa na Kusyokethya vanthi ya Kenya Mutongoi wa chama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua Niwaweta Kana ni mavityo Muno Kwona Imwe sya Ndongoi Selikalini Iendee na Uvuia Kimena kwa Kuingianisya Enenthi Misingini ya Mbai. Aineena na ndikimama uvo Gachagua Niwaweta Kana Ndongoi na Enenthi kuma ilembetani ya Mount Kenya mayetikila kwitwa uwekyo ni mwandiki munene wa chama cha UDA Hassan Omar bala waweta kana President William Ruto niwe una mutumite anenereto isuta nzie Imwe ya Kuingianisya Kenya.
Gachagua Aineena masama vuthu itina wa Kusyokethya vanthi ya Kenya kuma nthi ya Uungelesa Niwaweta Kana uneni wa mwandiki munene wa chama cha UDA Omar Hassan kwelekela Enenthi kuma ilembetani ya Mount Kenya tikwenda kwake indi atumitwe ni President William Ruto tanzie Imwe ya kuania Kenya Misingini ya Mbai na vala waweta kana Ndongoi na Enenthi kuma ilembetani thii mayitikila kwitwa uwekyo wa kuvuavuanua.
We want to reject in total the attempt by Hassan Omar to apologize to the people of the mountain for inciting Kenyans against them. Hassan Omar is just a mouthpiece of William Ruto. Those utterances were discussed in State House Mombasa, and everybody was given a script. Hassan Omar was given a script. Senate Speaker Amason Kingi was given a script. And the women rep for Lamu, Muthoni Marabu, was given a script by William Ruto. They all spoke in his presence. He spoke last and never admonished them because that was his script.
Gachagua Niwaweta Kana vena muvango wa Ndongoi Selikalini ya President William Ruto wa kuwania Kenya mbewo nyuvani munene wa 2021 na vala wakulia Enenthi kwikala na muo na maikese kukia kavindani kala mekotwaisya maundu moma kila muthenya.
William Ruto, we want to tell you, in 2007 you mobilized 41 versus 1 against the mountain people. William Ruto, you cannot be telling Kenyans that you hate tribalism and divisiveness, yet you are the master. All these things are being spoken in your presence at your behest. I want to tell William Ruto, you planned 41 against this one in 2007. You will not do it again. We will not allow you. You intimidated the Kikuyu people to leave the Rift Valley. Nobody will leave Rift Valley. I want to ask the mountain people not to buy fear and not to be intimidated. This is their country. They belong here. They pay taxes. They own land. And the constitution protect them to stay anywhere.
Kavindani kau seneta wa kaunti ya Nthi Samson Cherargei ni wavuthesya uneni wa Gachagua na vala waweta kana yu ilembeta ya Mount Kenya yikwatamba President William Ruto kusakua kwa ila ya keli.
And as a government, Mount Kenya is a stronghold of UDA. We will not allow anybody or some individuals to masquerade. We are going to have our candidates in UDA and also in DCP, but they sing UDA at night. So when I see people singing Ketungates, like my friends from that region following DCP, some of them want to be governors, some of them, I'm telling them, now that former impeached deputy president has failed to raise 2 billion in London, or was it 1 billion, they'll have to buy party tickets from DCP.
Ilivotia vilingi wa mavoni tawa mwaka